the upper 20s. NOAA weather radio station WXJ85 covers the following counties in West Virginia: Barber, Doddridge, Harrison, Lewis, Marion, Randolph, Ritchie, Taylor, Tyler, Upshur, Wetzel. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. More information about NOAA weather radio can be found at weather.gov/RLX/NWR. Now here is the regional climatic report. The following are the low temperatures recorded between 7 p.m. last night and 7 a.m. this morning. For Beckley, 33. Charleston, 38. Huntington, 38. Elkins, 34. For Bluefield, 31. Martinsburg, 33. Parkersburg, 37. At Clarksburg, 38. Morgantown, 38. Wheeling, 34. The following are the high temperatures yesterday. For Beckley, 43. Charleston, 49. Huntington, 44. Elkins, 43. For Bluefield, 42. Martinsburg, 41. Parkersburg, 42. At Clarksburg, 45. Morgantown, 44. Wheeling, 40. Here are the 24-hour precipitation amounts in inches, ending at 7 a.m. For Beckley, 0.13. Charleston, 0.04. Huntington, 0.03. Elkins, 0.06. For Bluefield, 0.09. Martinsburg, trace. Parkersburg, 0.07. And in Clarksburg, trace. This is the National Weather Service office in Charleston, West Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station: Barber, Doddridge, Harrison, Lewis, Marion, Randolph, Ritchie, Taylor, Tyler, Upshur, Wetzel. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also post your report to the Charleston, West Virginia Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXJ85 in Clarksburg, West Virginia. Broadcasting at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Originating from the at Clarksburg, under cloudy skies. The temperature
943 931 Did your mom get 935 109 1049 If you do 165 Cancel 1065